let's see one problem. An object of height 4 centimeter is placed in front of a concave mirror of focal length 12 centimeter at a distance of 20 centimeters. Find the height of the image formed and the distance from the pole. So ante we took an object which is of 4 centimeter height and we placed the object at 20 centimeters from its pole, means object distance is 20. And one more thing is given, the focal length of the concave mirror we used is 12 centimeters. We have to find the object distance, that is V, and the height of the image. So let's see the solution for this. To write the data given. So given data is object distance. We can represent object distance with U, which is equals to 20 centimeters, and focal length is given there. So focal length F is equals to 12 centimeters, and height of the object is given there, that is H naught is equals to 4 centimeters. So uh, we are asked to find out the distance between pole and image, that is called the image distance, which is given by V. So we have to find out that is how much is V, and we have to find out the height of the image also. So I am going to find out first V. For that I am going to use a formula that is called mirror formula, which is the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. So 1 by F is equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V implies, so 1 by F is 1 by 12 is equals to 1 by 20 plus 1 by V. From here I can write 1 by V is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20. So implies 1 by V is equals to 1 by 12 minus 1 by 20 implies 1 by V is equals to, we have to take LCM for 12 and 20 and it will be 60. So 12 5s are 60 and 23s are, implies 1 by V is equals to 2 by 60. From here I can write V is equals to 60 by 2, 2 1s are 2 3s are 0, therefore V is equals to 30 centimeters. Means the distance between pole and the image is 30 centimeters. I can say the image distance is 30 centimeters. Now I am going to find out HI. So we have a formula for the magnification. Magnification is the ratio of height of image to the height of object. I have other formula for this, this is minus V by U, implies I can write from here HI by H naught is equals to minus V by U. From here I can write HI, already we have to find out that, is equals to H naught into minus V by U, implies HI is equals to H naught. Height of the object is 4, it is given, and image distance is 30 and the object distance is 20. So 10 2s are 10 3s are. Next HI is equals to 4 into minus 3 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 2s are implies HI is equals to minus 6 centimeters. From this I can say the image formed is enlarged compared to the object, because height of the object is 4 and the height of the image is 6, and this negative sign indicates that the image formed below the principal axis. If you go through the problem, the focal length is given as 12 and the object distance is 20, means we kept the object in between focus and center of curvature, because if focus is at 12 centimeters, center of curvature will be at 24 centimeters. So, in between focus and center of curvature. So, according to the principles, the image should be formed beyond C. That is why it formed beyond 24 centimeters, it formed at 30 centimeters, and it will be enlarged. We get enlarged image. That is why the height is 6 centimeters.